परमाणु टेस्टिंग हुई थी, यानी न्यूक्लियर वेपन जो है उसको टेस्ट किया गया था, एक्सप्लोजन्स हुए थे। हम सबको पता है उस डेटोनेशन के बारे में, ऑल ऑफ अस आर लाइक वेल रेड, सबको सब कुछ पता है। एंड उसी को मार्क करते हुए यहाँ पे आज की डेट को चुना गया है टू लॉन्च दिस ब्रिलियंट ट्रेलर, विच इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ ट्रेलर अगैन, क्योंकि हमने जब वो एक्सप्लोजन्स हुए थे उसके बारे में बहुत कुछ पढ़ा था, बहुत कुछ जाना था। वी हैव सम वंडरफुल पीपल, एमिनेंट जर्नलिस्ट ओवर, लेकिन उसके पीछे बहुत कुछ गया था। एंड ऑल ऑफ अस शायद उस सब के बारे में नहीं जानते होंगे, तो उसको बहुत गहरे ढंग से यहाँ पे दिखाने की कोशिश की है। एंड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ जी स्टूडियोज, कायदा प्रोडक्शंस एंड ऑफ कोर्स JA एंटरटेनमेंट, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आई टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड आई फील ऑनर्ड कि आज हम उस ट्रेलर को यहाँ देखने वाले हैं। एंड ठीक 3:45 पे जब वहाँ वो एक्सप्लोजन हुआ था, जब वो टेस्ट किए जा रहे थे, उसी को मार्क करता हुआ ये एक आई थिंक हमारे देश के लिए बहुत बड़ा तोहफा है यार। सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू द एंटायर टीम यहाँ पे, अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज, because this is something that is very close to each one of us. All of us are proud Indians. हमारा देश जो कि already इतना awesome है और ज़्यादा powerful हुआ था इस दिन, and to mark the trailer launch, this is just amazing. एक request मैं यहाँ करना चाहूँगा, and I'm sure all of us are gonna go by it and they love it. आप लोग के लिए भी surprise होगा। मैं चाहता हूँ कि before we start the trailer or we show you the trailer, can we all stand up and अपने देश के नाम एक बार यहाँ national anthem हो जाए? What do you people say? Of course, right? The Jazba is there. So yeah, can we play that or you want me to sing? All of us are gonna sing. हम सब के देश के नाम. I thought they were playing the thing. So can we all do it? Right?
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उज्जल जलधि तरंगा, जब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जग गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Wow. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And with that, आगे बढ़ते हैं, proceedings को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. And it's time to show you the trailer, the most awaited trailer of 2018. And इससे पहले जो भी पोस्टर हमने देखे, जो टीजर्स हमने देखे, we all loved it, yeah. तो मैं चाहूँगा, I know, I can see that, ऐसा वो proud हम सब की आंखों में यहाँ पे जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, so that we can play the trailer on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen. Parmanu, the story of Pokhran, please. को मिलेगी. Hats off to the entire team of this movie, ladies and gentlemen. And सबसे पहले may I invite on stage इस project के head कह सकते हैं हम उनको, Mr. Abhishek Sharma, ladies and gentlemen, the director. The boss is here. Welcome, welcome, congratulations. It looks lovely. The movie looks amazing और एकदम ऐसा goosebumps आ गए. यहाँ पे to invite the producers, Kaida Productions से, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Ajay Kapoor. Kapoor साहब आइए. Another gem from your kitty, I would say. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Z Studios se Mr. Sujoy Kuti is here. Unke liye zordar taaliyan. Another rock star, I would say. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And now, the producer Sahab, who's also the main lead, and he's put in a lot behind this movie, ladies and gentlemen. बहुत मेहनत की है, I've heard stories जहाँ पे पूरा जी जान लगा दिया है. He is the one and only. Give it up for John Abraham. Come on, you got to make some noise. Come on, yeah. Welcome, welcome, John. And now, ladies and gentlemen, she's a brilliant actress. We all love her. We all में मैंने अपना पहले I love you वाला लगाया हुआ है. So she is the one and only Diana Penty, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for her. The very gorgeous, the very talented. Welcome. So we'll have a quick photo op for you guys. Yeah.
Yeah, this film wouldn't be complete without some of the other casts that are here. So I'm just going to call them up. And yeah, of course, yeah. So first of all, the heroes of this film also are the people who've written the screenplay and the dialogues of this film. Saivan and Sayukta, please come up. The casting director, Shruti. I would like to introduce all of them because I think they're very important to this film. Very important here, of course, are these wonderful people standing at the back. Anuja, please come up. Anuja Sathe. Aditya, please come up. इनके roles के बारे में आपको when you see the film you will get an idea. Vikas, where's Vikas and where's Ajay? तो इनकी दाढ़ी थी फिल्म में, अभी उन्हें निकाल दी, पता नहीं क्या. Baman gives his love. He's off to London and he couldn't be here. Otherwise, he would have been here. So this is the entire cast and crew. And there are some more people who we've missed right now. I'm sorry. My marketing team, which is fantastic. The team, J Entertainment, Sayukta, Minakshi, fantastic. You really pushed it. And Varun, Mohit, Sahil of WWO, everyone has been absolutely fantastic. I'm sorry if I've missed some names, but I think we've been through a journey. So I think releasing this film is like conducting the nuclear tests. So we finally made it happen. And I just really want to thank all the people standing here. Sujay, fantastic. Thank you, Z, for standing by me. Mr. Rockman, Ajay Kapoor, he really stood by me through this entire process from the start. So each one of you, thank you so much for being here. It's very important that all of you are here. And you all made this really special. Chalo, mera speech ho gaya abhi. Now you want to just...
All right. So we'll have a quick photo op with the entire team. Yeah. We good? Yeah? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Would request the producers, the director Saab, and of course, the gorgeous Dino to kindly stay back. Right. Thank you so much. One more time. आपका वार्तालाप सर कौन जीत पाया आपसे? So I have a question each for each one of you, and we'll start with the producers. Yeah. कपूर साहब से शुरू करते हैं. मुझे बोले, जैसा मैंने कहा, देश की मूवी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, एंड वही फीलिंग आ गई इसको देखने के बाद. वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दिस फिल्म. यू गाइज प्रोड्यूसिंग दिस मूवी, और इससे पहले भी बड़े सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जिनको बैक किया है आप लोगों ने. सो हाउ प्रेशियस इज दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट फॉर यू गाइज? दिस इज टू बोथ ऑफ यू. कितना नायाब है.
Great day, 20 years hence.
Yeah.
Okay, 3:45 p.m. Great time. And we all got it right.
Yeah.
So it's been a great journey. It's been very good, and Pokhran is something which is close to every Indian's heart. It's a true story.
Right.
To bring it on screen, kudos to John to put it together, get it off, and get it off properly. And 25th. And 25th, we'll all see it, and we should be proud about what we've done as a country and what we've created. That was the first one of many that we've done. Right. So kudos, and it's great. It's great to have all of you guys, and I'm sure this movie will touch everybody's heart.
Whoa, super. Though he said it all, but still, Kapoor Saab, I want you to add something.
I'm with Sujoy, and each word is like Sujoy. So
Ditto.
Ditto.
Right. Thank you so much. Sir, आपसे सवाल है, this is something जो कि as Mr. Kutti also said, it is close to each one of us. सबके दिल के बड़ा करीब है और हम सब रिलेट कर रहे हैं इससे. कितना ये लग रहा था कि यार कहीं इनसाइट में ऊपर नीचे ना हो जाए कुछ.
रिलीज या मेकिंग?
अब आपने खोल दिया है वो कैन, so you need to answer everything now.
रिलीज तो ऊपर नीचे हो गई, but हाँ, I hope making ऊपर नीचे हो. But first of all, I just want to thank the Honorable Bombay High Court.
Yeah.
I think we are all standing here because of
Seriously.
the justice system that is there in India. So I want to thank the Honorable High Court. And coming back to what you're saying,
Yes.
yeah, this film, actually, if you see my filmography, I've been making comedies. And so when this idea came, actually John called me to pitch a script, which was a comedy, obviously. You know, so he said, I want you to do this comedy. And I read the script also thinking that maybe, you know, I'll do it. But then when I met John, this story was there with me for a while.
Yeah.
And sometimes you become, you know, a prisoner of your own image. जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि जैसे दुनिया आपको देखती है, आप खुद को देखने लगते हैं. So I was keeping it in the, you know, I was keeping it in the backlog. And then when I met John, I thought that this story could be told with him as this main character, Ashwath. So I pitched it to him, and it all worked fine. But the only thing was, because I've been doing comedies, this was the first drama, and to attempt this subject, which I don't know why, for some reason, in last 20 years, nobody has done, because I think it's one of the really proudest moments for India. I think we were both lucky that it happened. I think it was destiny. Today we are standing here, it is destiny. That last night the order was passed and today is 11th. It is destiny at the end of the day. So I just take it as a gift, and I think somewhere I feel that we have all, as a team, and it's not just me, one person doesn't make a film. It started with a vision, but then Saivan and Sayukta came on board. There are so many people who have, you know, joined this process. You know, even casting from Shruti's perspective, amazing casting in this film. The only person I have cast in this film is John, in a way. And apart from me, everybody else Shruti has got. So, you know, there's so many people. And I think all of us were working on this film, not just as a project. We knew what we were up to. Yeah. And it's not like one of the members of the real team. So during the research time, me and John met a lot of people who were part of the real Pokhran 2. He said that, I hope कि इसको तुम Bollywood नहीं बनाओगे, नाच गाना तो नहीं हो जाएगा. And I said, no, I mean, we understand that and we'll make sure that that doesn't happen. Having said that, it's a very entertaining film. It's a drama thriller. But we have kept that fabric intact. You know, we have made sure that that fine line is maintained. As a team, I'm saying. I'm not saying just about myself. Right. And there was everyone to support me, help me, and also pick me up when I was falling down. So I think it has worked out well, is what we think.
You all just loved it, yeah? You saw the response, right?
Yeah, I hope that's a response to the film also.
I'm sure ऐसा ही होगा. Okay, Diana, this one's for you. Please tell us. We've heard so many. First of all, let me ऐसा भूमिका बांध देता हूँ मैं. We love John, right? We know he's a brilliant human being. He's a rock star. But as a producer, what do you have to say about him? You know, how good is he as a producer?
Complain.
I was thinking about it, but actually, no, I'll just be nice. No, he's exceptional. I mean, I feel like he has such clarity in terms of what he wants and, you know, in terms of his content as well. Which is why I was really happy when I got a call from him asking me whether I'd like to be part of this film. And it's just a subject that, as Indians, I mean, every one of us ought to watch it just to know what happened and how we became a nuclear state. And so I, from that point of view as well, wanted to be part of this film in whatever small way I could, you know, even if it was just a little bit, but I just wanted to be there and to be able to tell the story. Yeah. And today when I watched the trailer, I got goosebumps. So the first time I'm seeing it complete. Okay. I mean, I've seen a rough cut, but I've not seen it with everything put together. And it was just, yeah, I felt really good about it. So
thank you so much.
Thanks for having me, guys.
That's amazing. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Come on, make some noise. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, now
I can't believe that this day actually here. Actually, I'm still trying to get over the fact that we're actually here doing this today.
It is happening.
Yeah. It's been a process.
Okay, so John, this one's for you. Please tell us, इतना वक्त क्यों लगाया यार इतनी अच्छी फिल्म आने में? Why did you do it? क्यों रोक के रखा था?
So, I mean, we are here finally. The producers are here. Everybody's here. It took us a bit of time, lekin I think everything happens for the best. And I think we want to bring positivity around the film. We want to speak about the good things about the film. We're not here to throw mud in anybody's face, so we want to keep it clean. And we want to speak about the credibility of everybody attached to this film. And just one thing I'd like to say is that and for a lot of people here who are pretty young, and some of you who are probably Dinah's age also, you know. So anyway, I think the reason why today India's cool and every Indian feels he's cool and every youngster feels that India is a cool nation is because of what happened in Pokhran in 1998 on the 11th of May at 3:45. it's a history-defining moment for India, and I give the entire credit of conceptualizing this to, of course, Abhishek, because without the director, you cannot make. He's the captain of the ship. He's made a fantastic film. And of course, my screenplay writer and my dialogue writer. And my dialogue writer also happens to be the creative head of J Entertainment, so I'm lucky. So I think the entire credit goes there. And Abhishek, I think it's too early to say that we've made a good film, but we hope we made a fantastic film that all of you will enjoy.
As you said, there's a lot of positivity इसके around. We can see it, yeah. मतलब response से भी यहाँ पे दिखा. And when you people are talking about this project, तो वो दिख रहा है, आंखों में सबके दिख रहा है. So this is the movie, ladies and gentlemen, that will make all of us proud of our country. जितना हम हैं उससे और 10 गुना. And now we'll be proud of you जब आप अपने सवाल जवाब पूछ लेंगे. So over to you people.
Hi, जॉन सर आपके लेफ्ट में, सॉरी राइट में आलोक.
हाँ.
Alok.
सर सवाल ये है कि पिछले दिनों हम लोग भी खबरें पढ़ रहे थे, दुनिया भर की कंट्रोवर्सी हो रही थी. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जब वो कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही थी, जहन में क्या चल रहा था?
Yeah, see, at the end of the day, Alok, after a point, it's not about a film anymore. It's about your credibility and it's about what you stand for. And I think we are vindicated for what we stood for. And I think that's important. But it's also a fantastic film, which I thought, being a creative person, you want a good film for the audience. You want the audience to see a good film. And I didn't want this to go without the audience seeing it. So we fought our way. We came here. We are standing here. And Abhishek is also, शायद आप लोग जानते नहीं, but he's also a legal person. Oh. So जब ही any move I had to make, I said, Abhishek, what do you think?
There my career goes.
Yeah.
right now.
He's saying, court जा John, court जा.
What's the time? 3:55, 3:45 पे हुआ था.
So he stood by me through this entire process, and I think together we've made this happen. So controversies aside, सब लोग controversies को भूल जाते हैं. At the end of the day, it's the film and the quality of the film, Alok, that's going to speak. If this film's good, people will talk about it. If it's not good, people will not talk about it. So I think we're standing here because we think we've made a good film, and that's what we want to show the media. We've got 2 weeks to run this film in terms of promotions. Thank you, first of all, to the media for being here. We need all your support. Because we don't have the luxury of the kind of time that normal films do, but we have the luxury of a fantastic subject. So we want you to see something fantastic and enjoy this process.
जैसे जब आप मिशन पे हैं तो आप कृष्णा हैं और डायना नकुल हैं, तो ये किरदार ये कैसे महाभारत का कुछ सिस्टम है या मिशन पे क्या नाम एग्जैक्टली होता है, थोड़ा ये बताएं.
I think आप फिल्म देखिए आलोक, that's a very interesting twist in the film. आप फिल्म देखिए. All I can say is that we've really not deviated from the actual facts. तो अगर आप BARC की बात कर रहे हो या DRDO, ISRO, Intelligence Bureau, Army, whatever we're talking about, we've researched on everything before. We've sat in the office, we've researched, asked questions to ourselves. Can we deviate, take creative liberties? And the answer has always been no. You cannot really take so many creative liberties.
Yeah, the only thing that we have done is that the characters are fictional, but the plot is not. There's some plot points, of course, which one has to take in order to make it entertaining, but otherwise, I would say that whatever happened in the actual Pokhran was no less cinematic, and so we had enough material. And like I said, I never understood why nobody made a film in last 20 years. That's a long time. And like he said, this has been a defining moment for India. The story had to be told. Luckily, we were destined to tell it. So yeah.
मिस्टर कपूर, थोड़ी देर पहले जॉन सर ने बताया कि पूरे टाइम आप उनके साथ खड़े थे हर कदम पे, तो थोड़ा वो बताएं वो कैसा एसोसिएशन.
बस मैं खड़ा था उनके साथ. आज भी खड़ा हूँ, हमेशा खड़ा रहूँगा.
जॉन, आपके स्ट्रेट आपसे सवाल है कि फिल्म को क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है, तो पाकिस्तान में रिलीज को लेके क्या
I think so very clearly.
I think 300 screens से हम लोग आ रहे हैं पाकिस्तान में.
Yeah. Okay. To answer your question, you're right. This is not an anti-Pakistan film. It's a pro-India film. So we're very clear. Okay, this is a film about India, and we're very proud of this moment, and we want to celebrate this. अगर हम लोग हर जगह पे देख के we start thinking about other markets, we'll be compromising on our film. We want to tell the story as it is, and we don't want to deviate from that.
जॉन, एक सवाल और है कि जैसा अभिषेक बार बार बता रहे हैं कि 20 साल से सब्जेक्ट पे किसी का ध्यान नहीं गया, तो आपको लगता है बॉलीवुड इस तरह के सब्जेक्ट्स को लेके थोड़ी एस्केपिस्ट होती है और इस तरह के सब्जेक्ट नहीं लेके बनाती है फिल्में, आपको लगता है?
आई थिंक यू मस्ट मतलब मैनेजमेंट में एक कहावत है, द हायर द रिस्क द ग्रेटर द प्रॉफिट्स. सो इफ यू डू नॉट टेक अ रिस्क एंड यू डू नॉट डिसाइड यू वांट टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, आप वही बनाओगे. Then this will hurt because I'm continuously dancing. Like, you know what? After a point, it hurts. You know, and so you have to move on from there. So instead of jogging the pelvic muscles, you have to jog your brains also. So I think it's important to make different films, and I'm getting the opportunity to make those films because I am a producer also now. So I've the authority to say yes, मुझे ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है, and I've got a fantastic team with me that sits with me and says, कि कैन वी मेक दिस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग ने डिसाइड किया इंटरनली से वी कैन नॉट मेक एन अडल्ट कॉमेडी, क्योंकि वो हमारे बस की बात नहीं है. वी कैन नॉट डू इट. वी आर नॉट वेल इक्विप्ड टू डू इट. कैन वी मेक अ स्टोरी लाइक परमाणु? येस. कैन वी मेक अ स्टोरी लाइक मद्रास कैफे? येस. विकी डोनर? येस. इवन फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ फोर्स इज समथिंग वी कैन डू, बट वी कैन नॉट डू थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट विद इन आवर ग्रेन. तो
सर मेरा एक सवाल है अभिषेक सर से.
इस फिल्म को बनाते समय बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस थे, पर आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज मैं बोलूँगा फैक्ट और फिक्शन, जो अभी हमने बात करी. when you're taking a story, and maybe now if I think about it, maybe that's the reason that nobody attempted on this subject. I'm not saying that I mean I was great to attempt it, but I'm saying it is a risky subject, like all of us know, because the facts are there. If you research, everything is there. And to put it in perspective, because such great names as Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Shri Abdul Kalam Sahab have been associated with this event. I call it an event. It was not just an incident that happened. So to take that subject and to make an entertaining film at the same time is the biggest challenge for this kind of a film. Also, this is the first film in India which is talking about nuclear testing. It is a little scientific, so then to serve it in a way that anybody can and everybody can understand, that is another challenge. And thirdly, also, after all that, what is that the grain of the subject is not song and dance, and Bollywood is known for that. Audiences usually expect that. So to make it entertaining despite all that, that is the biggest challenge. So yeah, I mean, it was there, but I think ultimately with the whole team support, I think we have been able to make a film which has passed all those tests, but ultimate test is the audience.
Sorry, being a producer, I must say we've got some fantastic songs in the film.
Yeah, but not the song and dance.
Song and dance, लेकिन background में तो है, they're fantastic, really fantastic songs, really fantastic songs.
Sir, Sandeep here from ANI. Sir, Sandeep. सर एक सवाल आपसे है अभिषेक सर. सवाल ये है कि जब ये परमाणु हुआ, जब ये पोखरण का टेस्ट हुआ, उस समय तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्री श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, साथ ही डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम साहब का बहुत अहम रोल था. तो इस चीज़ को आपने अपने फिल्म में किस तरीके से उसको एक्सप्लोर किया, या कास्टिंग किस हिसाब से थी, कुछ बता पाए तो बहुत अच्छा.
हाँ, so the casting is fictional. We didn't want to. There are many complications which arise if you take real names, real people. Also, there are limitations for writers to write. So we took the real plot. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee is there in a way in the film, the real Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I'm a biggest fan of Mr. Vajpayee. Even Kalam Sahab, Dr. Kalam, we have, it's in a way it's a dedication to him, this film. And you'll see, when you see the film, you'll see these two people and even the scientists, we have done that. But when it comes to the main plot of the film, we have not used the real character names or real characters. We had to go with fiction, because there's certain liberties then you can take, otherwise you can't. But coming back to your question, yes, we have dedicated the film, and you will see them somewhere in the film.
Alright. Sir, John, आपसे एक सवाल है. फोर्स 2 के बाद लगभग 2 साल लग गए आपको बॉलीवुड में ये फिल्म के साथ आने में. क्या कहेंगे, बहुत विवाद हुआ था इससे पहले भी. वापसी से कैसी उम्मीद है आपको?
Yeah, I think I like taking time. I wanted a good subject. तो Force 2 के बाद I think it was only Parmanu. अगर if I just wanted out of insecurity, मैं 10 films sign कर चुका होता, but I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to do one film, and I was very happy. Parmanu is my next film. So I don't have a problem waiting. It's absolutely okay.
ज़बरदस्त फिल्म है, प्रोमो बहुत पसंद आया. हाय जॉन.
मेरा सवाल जॉन सर से.
हेलो.
सर कोई नहीं. We'll take your question. कोई नहीं.
हाँ जी.
उनको लगा खाली कॉम्प्लीमेंट में खत्म है.
हाँ नहीं, सवाल है आगे.
हाँ,
उस टाइम पर जो BRC टीम जो हेड कर रहे थे अनिल काकोडकर जी, बहुत ज़बरदस्त रोल रहा है उनका परमाणु परीक्षण के दौरान पोखरण में. तो क्या उनका कोई कैरेक्टर किरदार फिल्म में नजर आएगा?
नहीं, like I said, sorry to interject, but this is my department, so I'm just taking it. नहीं, so basically we have for certain security reasons, national security reasons also, we can't tell you that who all we met. We have done our research in the best possible way, and we have given tributes to people. But there are certain things that we can't do in a film which is highly sensitive also in nature. So like you mentioned, not just Dr. Kakodkar, but Dr. Chidambaram, Dr. Kalam. At that time, he was not the president of India. And all those scientists, we have somewhere given, this film is dedicated to them. And you will see in the film that how, but we have not used the real name. We have not done the real characterizations, because then it goes into the zone of a biopic. This is not a biopic. This is a real event film. So it's a different genre. Maybe it's a slightly new genre in India, but I think Airlift came close to that also. So yeah, you'll see. Your questions will be answered when you see the film.
बिल्कुल, आंसर देखने के लिए हमें फिल्म देखनी है, थोड़े दिन का इंतजार है. जॉन, चूंकि जब भी देशभक्ति की बात आती है, यूनिफॉर्म की बात आती है, तो एक अलग सेंटिमेंट्स जुड़ जाते हैं. तो क्या ये एक बहुत बड़ा ट्रिब्यूट है, क्योंकि आजकल जिस तरह से देश का माहौल है या जिस तरह की चीज़ें हो रही हैं, तो जो देशभक्त हैं ख़ासतौर पर, उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा ज़बरदस्त इंस्पिरेशन या कह सकते हैं उस तरह की भावना?
या तो आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा यही मकसद था कि वी वांटेड टू मेक एन एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म, कि लोगों को एंटरटेनिंग लगे. वी डिडंट वांट टू मेक अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री. तो ये फिल्म बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग है, बट डेफिनेटली जैसे हमारे ऑफिस में कई लोगों ने देखी इस फिल्म को, एंड दे सेड ये तो इंडिया पे बेस्ट फिल्म है. सो दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन यू गेट, एंड दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ इमोशन यू गेट. सो it's also a very pro-India film, जैसे मैंने कहा कि, but the idea is to make an entertaining film. जैसे internationally एक film आई थी, Argo. If you see Argo, it's on the edge of the seat. होगा नहीं होगा, निकलेंगे वहाँ से नहीं निकलेंगे. So this film has got that thing कि मतलब through the entire, I think 60 minutes, 1 hour of this film, I don't think you will move. You will not move. But that's the idea, to make it entertaining. तो वही कोशिश थी हमारी कि make an entertaining film.
डायना, आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं यूनिफॉर्म में.
थैंक यू.
अभी भी ना, आपने बोला आप बड़ी खूबसूरत लग रही हैं यूनिफॉर्म
में. यस. डायना, कुछ खास तैयारियां, क्योंकि एक्शन भी किया है आपने, बहुत फिट तो आप हमेशा से हैं, लेकिन कुछ खास तैयारियां क्या किया आपने, बताइए.
बहुत एक्शन किया है, लाइक बहुत. नो, आई एम जस्ट किडिंग. थोड़ा एक्शन किया है, लेकिन फॉर दैट आल्सो आई हैड टू प्रेप, बिकॉज I've generally not done any kind of martial arts or anything like that in my life. So this was the first time. And otherwise just general, strength training, weight training, because there was a lot of running around. But nothing out of the ordinary. More than that, it was just, for me, it was a film because of the subject itself, to want to be part of, because like I said, it was just something that all of us as Indians, it makes us proud to watch, to hear about, to know. And I feel like the young people today don't know a lot about what actually happened. And since it is an event that has defined our history, it is something, to tell. And that's why I wanted to be part of it.
माफ़ करिए, मैं चौथा सवाल भी पूछूंगी, सॉरी, माफ़ करेगा. चूँकि जैसे आज तो बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ जो हैं परमाणु शक्ति बन चुकी हैं, और भारत भी है, लेकिन 20 साल पहले इस तरह का कदम उठाना सच में उस टाइम के लिए बहुत ज़बरदस्त चीज़ थी. उसके बारे में जॉन, आपका एक कोट.
I think, like you said, I think fantastic. First of all, congratulations on all your questions. Great research on Dr. Kakodkar and all, because I'm pretty impressed. लेकिन हाँ, उस वक्त पे तो आपको पता होगा, before that we did try to conduct the nuclear tests, और अमेरिका ने धमकी दी हमें कि if you conduct it, you will be boycotted, and how we conducted it, in what circumstances we did this. So I think the story is very interesting. और जैसे nuclear espionage बोलते हैं, I think this is the biggest case of nuclear espionage in the world ever, to do it under the noses of rival nations.
Yeah, at that point of time, it was the biggest failure for CIA. After that, unfortunately, I would say that, after 9/11, that became the biggest CIA failure. But till that time, this is considered as one of the biggest failures by CIA, and they have admitted that as well.
On record, they've admitted it.
मेरा सवाल जॉन सर से. सर कुछ दिन पहले आपके ट्विटर अकाउंट पे ट्रेलर डाला गया था परमाणु का और फिर डिलीट
टीजर वो टीजर था।
ठीक है, तो वो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए सर।
नहीं तो ट्रेलर अभी हमने दिखाया ना, वो टीजर डिलीट किया ना,
ये अभी तक डिलीट नहीं हुआ ये।
नहीं ये ठीक है सर, पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ।
No, we deleted the teaser, so we get the trailer to show you.
अब और टीज नहीं करेंगे, पूरा दिखाएंगे। चलिए।
Yeah. Yeah. No, I think it's a good question. Did it demotivate me? It at one point I called up Abhishek and I said, Abhishek, yaar, ye matlab kuch zyada hi ho raha hai yaar. And he's saying, look at the positive side of it. No, there's publicity. so he said, just don't. And you know, I think we kept calling each other up. 24 hours a day, we kept calling each other up just to give each other motivation and say, nahi yaar, ye sahi hoga. Humne kuch galat nahi kiya hai. We are honest people, we are straight people, and it'll happen the right way. And this is exactly how it's finally happened. So yes, it's difficult when जब भी आपके नाम पे कोई कुछ बोले या प्रोडक्शन हाउस पे या फिल्म के बारे में, तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, because this film is like my child, and if someone speaks badly, I can turn him around and tear him apart. So you don't want anybody to speak badly. I'm not violent, but I'm just saying. So. But anyway, it's all ended well, and we're very happy that. And what I'm really happy about actually here is that my producers are here, my entire cast is here. Baman is in London, and so he said, "John, I'm sorry I can't make it." But everybody that matters to this film is here. My screenplay, my dialogue writers are here, my casting person is here, Shruti. Everybody is here. So that is very important to me. कि जो भी इस film के साथ associated था, they're all here, and that's very important.
Abhishek and John, you're straight. Yeah. What sort of help have you got from BARC and the Indian government as far as the research goes, and will there be a special screening for them?
Special screening, yeah, of course we would like to do that for the government of India, and as far as help is concerned, so we have done our research. Off the record, we got a lot of help. On the record, honestly speaking, no, because usually, what happens is that on record, there are certain things that they can't tell you, okay? It's a highly sensitive subject, and we didn't want to trespass also. We didn't want to get into, we don't want to corner anyone in answering our questions. So as much as we needed, like I'll tell you this story without telling you, there's music.
So bomb
that's
the
cue? Okay.
Bomb.
So I'll tell you without telling you the names. There was this eminent person who was a part of this, this test. And I asked him so many questions. And then finally I asked him, I had kept the most important question. And with me, one of the important team members, she's not here today, Karishma, who did the research on the film. Also, she played a very big role. So she was sitting and, she was writing everything as we were discussing. She was just taking the dictations. And I asked him finally the big question. I said, so how does that bomb look like exactly? Because I don't want to do it like, the old 80s films we have grown up. You know how you've seen those in the Shakal Den and all those kind of bombs. So I said, I don't want to do that. Can you tell me? So he just looks at me, smiles. He says, the meeting is over. He says that. He says, that I can't tell you. Use your imagination. He just said that. So that's the last part of it, just the last part. The entire framework we know, but the last core, which is called the core, he didn't define it because he said that's a national security thing. I'll never tell you that, even if it's off the record. So it's a very sensitive thing. But we did our research. As far as help is concerned, one might think that because there's army in the film that we would have used the real army and all. But if you see the film, you'll understand that it's not entirely about army. Army played a big role, but there were other factors involved. So we did a lot of off-the-record research, but yeah, no direct connection.
I think one more thing, agar aap Twitter, if you go to Twitter and you'll see Pokhran 2 is trending. So usme jitne sare pictures hai, it pretty much tells our story. Simple.
John, another question.
Yeah. No, I think Abhishek wanted me to be very regular and look very normal. And he said, you can't look, like buffed up and all that. And
I didn't want him to lift anything in the film. So.
No.
All right, we'll take one last question, please.
John, you're wearing John, you're straight again. No, I'm sure wearing the uniform would be quite a matter of pride and honor for you. What would you have to say about Akshay's decision, you know, to put the uniform that he had worn in the movie Rustom for auction and for which he has got a legal notice?
See, I'm not going to be politically correct, but I stand by him.
John also, John here. John, what kind of research have you done in getting the intricacies of the uniform right that you're wearing on screen?
Oh yeah, so Colonel Sanjeev Sharma.
Yeah, no, Colonel Gopal Sharma.
Gopal Sharma.
Brijmohan Sharma. Sorry, Brijmohan Sharma. Gopal Sharma is another one. There was some. Abhi sare, we have just spelled the
So
names.
he was second in charge.
I was telling you, I'll not give you the names. Colonel Brijmohan Sharma was officially on board for this film. He was involved with the real test. Now he's retired, of course. So he was there to make sure that the army camp and everything, from uniform to the behavior, was taken care of. So yeah.
So whether I was, even if the beret was worn slightly wrongly, he wouldn't care कि ये actor है, ये वो है. He'd come and, hey, idhar aa, and just pull it, you know. So he was very clear that he wanted it to look right. That was the hero.
Once he was just getting out of his van and, he was standing up, he was going from the set to the van, and he just took out his shirt. I think he was going to the loo. And, Colonel Sharma just came, ye galat ho raha hai, Abhishek, galat ho raha hai. Why is he walking like this? I said, he's going to the van. Sir, he'll come back. He'll be in the... So he was very, very careful. He was extra
So
careful.
his role is an amalgamation of a few people that's based on Vikas. तो इनके लिए विकास जी जो थे, जो यहाँ पे डायना के पीछे है, मतलब ये हमारे लिए यही है बस, बाकी कोई नहीं है. So he was very clear that he wanted, because for him army sacrosanct. तो जिस तरह से आप salute करते हो, you don't salute like this, you salute like this. Everything was to the T. You can't get anything wrong. You cannot disrespect the army, and we don't want to. So we got everything right.
All right, before we wrap up, just one last thing. I'd like to ask you something. Pooja Entertainment and Films, Vashu Bhagnaji ji, उनका भी इसके पीछे बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. We, want
Yeah,
you to
Vashu ji was very excited. He's in London, and he was very relieved and happy that this film's happening. He's distributing the film, and he's given us his best wishes. He couldn't be here, unfortunately. But it's great to have him on board, and he's a very aggressive distributor, very aggressive person who markets, and it's good to have someone like that on your side. Yeah. So we're very happy to have Vashuji on our side.
And this is like the coolest team ever, we've seen SA, और सब लोग साथ में आके, they're talking about this movie, their dream project, so congratulations one more time.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's all we have for you. Thank you so much. We'll have a couple of solo pictures, of course. Yeah? अरे हाँ, मुंह मीठा किया ना? हाँ, good, great.
अरे भाई क्या चाप रहे भाई
सर यार खाली है ना सर
छापने दो ना ये भाई अपने अपने आ रहे हो कैसा कर रहे हो
स्माइल है भाई यार तेरे क्लोज हुआ मस्ती कर
साइलेंट प्लीज
राजा भाई रुको यार
अरे
राजा भाई देखो अभी फटाफट चढ़ाएंगे धार दूर